Hello everyone, Jake Fugit here with Smartland Commercial Contractors, and today I'm coming at you with another blog. Today's blog, Casework versus Millwork, what you need to know. When building or remodeling an office space, one of the first questions that arises is casework versus millwork. A lot of people don't know the exact differences and will often use the terms interchangeably. This can lead to some confusion and potentially you not getting exactly what you want, and then it's too late. So here's what you need to know about the differences between casework and millwork. Understanding casework and millwork. Carpentry is a general term that refers to woodworking. Both casework and millwork are specific categories in woodworking. While the two do share a lot of similarities, there are a few distinct features that set them apart from each other. Any woodwork that is made in a mill is considered millwork. Some common examples of millwork are doors, wall paneling, and trim. Custom millwork is made as per order for both decorative and practical purposes. Casework, on the other hand, is about manufacturing boxes. It basically involves assembling box-like features such as cabinets, bookshelves, and cases. Casework is generally used in modular carpentry. Typically, you're provided with prefabricated fragments of wood that you use to assemble the final product. One of the most significant differences between casework and millwork is their manufacturing process. In the case of millwork, each piece is custom built in the mill on the basis of the customer's requirements. So each piece that leaves the mill is special. Two millwork products can never be alike. Embellishments, wall panels, doors, etc. are all custom millwork products that are manufactured in mills. If you look at casework, you'll find products that are manufactured in factories in large groups. The manufacturers produce several pieces of the same product to sell them faster. Common examples of casework are chairs, tables, and desks. The difference in price. Another difference between casework and millwork is their prices. Millwork, being custom made, is typically a higher price than your casework. However, the quality of the millwork that you will be getting is definitely going to be much higher. Customers who are looking for more budget-friendly woodwork often find peace in the lower cost of casework. They are satisfied with the factory manufactured product that can be bought at a lower price and higher volume. So, which is right for you? If you're trying to decide between casework and millwork, you need to consider all the factors involved. While millwork may be a little higher priced, the customization and quality definitely make up for it. And whereas casework may not have all the same customization and quality options as millwork has, it is definitely more cost effective and you can buy it in volume. Whether you go with your casework or your millwork is going to vary between project to project and what you need in each of your projects. Thank you all so much for watching. Feel free to read more down below. And remember, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Jake Fugit for Smartland Commercial Contractors. Until next time.